What's up, guys? Welcome back to MyHeaven channel. This is Dennis and Kristen. Today we're gonna film a brand new house under construction. As you can see, the one on the left side, it's a 3-story house by American West in Las Vegas. Let's take a look. I think it has a rooftop deck, so it's 3 stories plus a rooftop deck, 2-car garage, and you can see they just did the stucco outside. Not the stucco, but let's see. I'm gonna try to pause here so you can see a little bit better. There's some insulation already put in. Go through here. It's a door. So this house is kind of weird because when you come in, you have to go up the stairs right away. You can see the insulation here. Hey, Kristen.
Hi, guys.
Got your head on?
Hard hat tour.
Oh man.
And then you go down the stairs.
Yeah, so you go over this bump. It's kind of like a little staircase, and then you go down. There's like a bonus room on the first floor, or a game room. Let's take a look. You can see through here, since there's no walls, you can see well. So let me show you this part right here first. This is the door to the backyard, and laundry goes here.
Yeah, laundry, washer, dryer. It's getting plumbed for that. Electrical stuff going on.
Yeah, there's a vent for AC. Show the backyard. Backyard is pretty small for these homes. So this community is called is it the Mesa View? Skyview. Yeah, these homes start at like $420,000 without any upgrades. All right, so let's take a look. It's a little closet over here. So that's where your little storage area goes, a little closet. And this is the kind of like a game room on the first floor.
I have a lot of measurements on the floor. It's kind of interesting.
Yeah, I'll link in the description the the actual floor plan with dimensions from the builder.
So they added the optional windows up top.
Yeah.
So it lets in a lot of natural light. And then they're building one of those modern fireplaces down here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So that's going to be really cool.
Yeah.
It's really nice here, the windows. It gives in a lot of natural light right now. So
Cool. So this is pretty much your whole first floor. It's just the game room, laundry, and the garage, and a little storage area. Here's the garage. You can see. This one's like separated into two. All right, we're gonna go to the second floor. Take a look. Go back up the stairs. So that's your entrance right there. See, so there's like a staircase going up, and this is the staircase to the second floor.
wow.
What do you think?
This is really interesting.
This whole floor is like open. You have a kitchen here,
Yeah.
and the family room, and dining room all together.
Really tall windows.
You can see the ceiling here is under construction. All the vents.
That's interesting. More optional windows they did show us. I wonder if there's going to be
There's a fireplace that goes in there. I'm trying to show from this angle. This is the kitchen and the pantry in the right corner.
So you got a nice view out. And big island.
Show the view to the backyard from here.
Have a walk-in pantry.
Pretty crazy. Just all like plywood everywhere, basically.
Yeah.
That's what's supporting everything, including the floor.
Oh, they're putting gray quartz countertops on top.
See all the vents and stuff. Different plumbing. This pantry is pretty good size. It's better than usually you get from this builder in most of their homes. Is this the room for the fridge right here?
There's the, looks like it, and then probably storage on top, and then there's a powder half bath.
Oh yeah?
That's gonna go right here.
That's a half bath?
Yeah, half bath. And then there's a closet right here.
Okay, yeah.
On the right side, there's a little closet.
You can
That's
see
pretty tight.
they have, yeah, the bathroom is pretty tight.
That's pretty tight. I hope that door swings out.
This is where your toilet goes right there. You see there's a opening right there to connect. Alright, so let's go see the rest of the house. I'm going to show you this fireplace, and then we're going to go to the third floor, and then the best part of this house is the rooftop deck. You can see this is actually pretty good size. Second floor is probably the best floor in this house because it's pretty much all open. Kitchen, dining, and family room all together. It's a big one, open space. Alright, we're gonna go see the third floor. There's the staircase to go to the third floor. Alright.
So we go to the master bedroom right away, but it's full of the
These are the panels that go on the walls.
yeah, like the sheetrock.
Oh, you can see the whole insulation already in the ceiling.
It's definitely warming up on the third floor.
This is the master bedroom.
Yeah.
Pretty good size.
Maybe it's closet and master.
Yeah, and then the bathroom. Let's take a look here. It's insulation throughout. That's your closet right there for the master bedroom. How does it feel? It's crazy to have all the walls open. You can see through the whole house.
Yeah.
All right, let's finish up this floor, and then so there's 2 more bedrooms here, and then we're gonna go to the rooftop deck.
So you have linen closet, small closet here. And then your bathroom. So it looks like it's plumbed for double sinks,
Oh yeah,
which is an option to have a second sink in.
yeah,
And then tub, toilet. Again, this builder builds pretty narrow toilets,
yeah.
so it's like
It's gonna be
it's
tight.
not even finished.
It's gonna be tight. Here's
Yeah.
a tub. It's kind of like just a regular size.
Yeah. Shower.
It's not too bad, I guess.
Looks like a light above it.
All right, and there's 2 more bedrooms on this side.
Bed 2, bed 3.
Bedrooms are not very big. Looks like they have like just the regular sliding closets.
And the rooftop deck is optional.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh really?
You gotta pay extra for that.
It's not standard. Wonder how much they charge for the rooftop deck if it's extra. You can look it up online. You can see this bedroom's a little bit bigger, the third bedroom. I mean, you have the option to put a bedroom on the first floor instead of the game room. So this would be like a 4-bedroom house if you did that, which might be a better option. All right, here's the rooftop deck, which is the best part of this house. You get a really beautiful view from the top. So go up here. Only problem is you have your neighbor like right next to you. And all these houses are 3-story houses, so you're gonna see your neighbors right across from where you're at. It's a little bit windy, so
Yeah, it's a little windy. Yeah, it's actually a really huge space. Much bigger than I thought it would be.
yeah. What do you guys think? Rooftop deck is pretty much almost like the size of almost the entire house.
Yeah.
So it's pretty massive. I'm standing right here, and this house is kind of shaking right now. It's a little bit windy, but I can feel the wobble from the house moving. I mean, obviously it's not finished yet, but it's
I mean, look at this view of the strip right here.
yeah, I'll show you the view.
It's pretty crazy. I mean, they're supposed to build some more 3-story houses here, parts of that land. So maybe eventually it'll be a little bit more block, but
So we're gonna finish up here. That's pretty much the entire house. In about 10 minutes. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to see more housing tours. See you next one. Bye guys.